show you how to change the featured blog posts on the homepage as well as the blog categories on the blog homepage. So if we go to the Page tab and click Featured, so the way this is set up, it's featured blog posts, not recent blog posts. So basically you would pick your 3 favorite blog posts and these won't change. So it's not something where every time you publish a new blog, these will change. If you did want that to happen, you would have to do it manually. The way that Showit's set up, you can only have those recent blog posts that change every single time you post if it's on the actual WordPress template. But if it's on just a normal page on Showit, it won't link to WordPress to be able to do that. But you can do it manually. Every time you post, you can switch out the image and the link, so it kind of looks like a recent blog post. But that's why I did featured on the blog, so you would just pick your favorite blog posts for people to look at. So to change this, you would just click the image, click image on the right hand column, and then go ahead and switch that picture out, and then you would change the name as well. And then you'd go to quick actions, change this page to the URL, and then you'd paste in the URL of that blog post. And then I would also link the image as well. So again, going to quick actions, URL, and then pasting that URL right in there. And then you would just do that for all 3 of these. Now if we go to the blog page, and then we hit edit blog header. So this is a site canvas, so whenever you change these images in the text, it will change it on a single page and just a normal page as well. And if you look at the mobile version, this left-hand image is what's shown on the mobile and not the right. So just when you're picking your left-hand image, just remember it will show up on mobile as well. So right now if we click weddings and we take a look at the click actions, this technically is linked already for you if your category is named wedding. So if you have a category within WordPress named wedding, you don't have to do a thing. It should already work. But if we go ahead and look at my WordPress, so these are my posts, and then these are the categories. So this is what we're looking at, is the categories. So for my wedding category, it's just wedding. If we come back to Showit, this is just wedding. Now if your category within WordPress is weddings with an S, like my engagements has an S, you want to make sure that you just type that S in. So same thing with engagements. Right now it has an S, so if your engagements or whatever your category is, just make sure it's the same. So you can even just copy this and then paste it right into the URL. And then it's always going to be lowercase no matter what. So even if the WordPress, how mine was a capital W for wedding, that's okay. Capitalization doesn't matter. It's just the exact way you spelled it. So if you have a typo and you're in Showit and it says wedding and it for some reason not working, it's possible that it's just that the spelling was not the same. So if you wanted to add another category to this, you can make these smaller and then just copy and paste. And then go ahead and bring that next category down, so maybe senior. So for example, on mine, I do have a senior, so I'll just copy that, come back here, take out the ending, put in seniors, take out the space, and then I'll just go ahead and make that lowercase, and then just click off and make sure it's saved, and it did, so that now it will be linked to the category seniors. And now you did it to desktop, so you would have to do it to mobile as well. But you don't have to relink it, the link stays the same, you just have to align these. And that's how you change the categories.